My Japanese maple has a heavy infestation of scale. The tree is dying and I would like to treat as soon as possible. It is now the end of September. Can I treat now in the fall? What can I do to help my tree recover? And is there anything other than pesticide spray I can use? And this is Tamar, right? So this is actually a good question. And she knows that her Japanese maple, of course, is being attacked by scales. So there's the Japanese scale. They do a lot of damage. So can she treat now?
She could treat it now with neem oil. You know, that'll kill the scale over the winter time.
Yep.
You know, if it's real severe, she could use some pressure, water hose, maybe try to knock them off. It wasn't too bad. She does want to use any type of chemical, possibly. And then in the spring, I would do fertility and try to encourage new growth.
All right. I agree with all of that. I sure would. Yeah, so neem oil, or you can still get away with horticulture oil, you know, now. These Japanese scales, you know, have waxy coverings, right? So if you use enough of the oils, guess what? It dissolves the waxy covering and it will expose the scales to winter conditions. Right. And that may kill it, right? But then I would come back next year, I'll think about fertility, and then just kind of go from there, right? And see what happens, you know, see what happens, especially since you don't want to use a pesticide. Right. So we gave you low impact means using the horticultural oil, dormant oil is another one, or neem oil, and just get out the water hose, right? High pressure, knock them off. Yeah, and then check next year. Scouting is important. Check next year, fertility, I think you'll be fine. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.